So this is your first time ever on Sebring?
I've been here a long time ago.
Okay, but you've been on the track?
Yeah, but
okay.
It was so long, it's not even worth it saying that I've been here before.
Oh.
Yeah. It was with this group that they used to do a lot. Their home track was Palm Beach International Raceway. It was, what's the name of that group? I forgot the name of them.
Like more than 5 years?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, I've been on the racetrack since I was 18, which is 2008.
Okay.
So
nice.
It's been a long time.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're doing things a little bit different. We're going for a ride in Jose's Honda Civic Type R with a set of FL5 tires, 255/30/19, native 2 camber all the way around, upgraded brake pad, and that's it. So we're just going to take a lap.
Run that Lamborghini, right?
Yep. If he spins out, I'll have a good chance.
Oh yeah.
Franny.
Dude, those are brand new slicks.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's that Porsche. He was doing 34s.
Oh, come on. He's cold.
Well, we beat him.
Oh, there you go. Wasn't that bad.
So a little thing I like to do, my first lap is always warming everything up. Engine oil, you know, brakes, tires, stuff like that, and then send it. But man, Jose is coming out hot. These tires, you really only get, I don't know, a good lap or two before they just overheat and then you lose all their grip. But man, this guy wheels his Honda Civic. That was good.
Oh, tires are still cold.
Yep. Oh yeah, much better. Oh yeah. You're gonna go to 4 and turn in. He's telling me good, but I'm just watching that coolant and engine oil temps creeping up. But you know, he's comfortable. He knows his car. I mean, obviously a lot better than I do. And yeah, I mean, the car feels good, man. It's sticking nice. For a front-wheel drive car, it rotates really nice. Nice. just said that the car's getting kind of hot, and I would agree at 230 degrees and 180 oil temp. He says the oil temps are calculated, if I remember correctly. But yeah, if this was the GR, we would have blown out both head gaskets by now. But man, what a really good car. Let's see how we hang with this little Miata. Go as we're following this Miata here. We got a couple Corvettes, so let's see how we fight through some traffic.
Yeah, no, it's good.
Well, that's pretty much it. The temps are, as you can see, I mean, really, really high. The track, I mean, this is summertime here in Florida. The feel like for the day was, 105-ish. Track temps were 90 something. But his best time out was a 2-minute 38 second, 38.2. And again, bone stock car, tires, brake pads, alignment. He also removed the little rain guard underneath the hood vent just to allow it to, get that hot air out from underneath the hood and make the radiator a little more efficient. That's it. Really good car. I asked him there towards the end if he was flat foot shifting, and I think he was, because man, that every time he would shift, you would just feel the trans just make a big clunk, just solid. And really, really good car. I think this thing, with some more seat time, better cooling, and that's, maybe a bigger or better radiator, or an oil cooler. If you can keep your oil temps cooler, that's also going to help the engine run cooler, because it acts like a coolant. So we can do that. Intercooler, maybe drop-in filter, something, downpipe tune, but nothing too crazy. And man, dude, this car will be a rocket. Maybe run some E85 again, more power, keep it nice, cool, and happy. And man, that's it. I was impressed. For a front-wheel drive, 4-door stock car with tires. This car, again, no suspension mods. It's just got a little bit of camber. And look at that. That's a C8 Z06. So You know, congrats to Jose and stuff getting out there on Sebring. I wish I would have been there. He's still got a little bit of time to catch up to me, but in time I'm sure that would happen. I hope to run him one day again, probably when it cools down. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Appreciate you watching. I will give you an update on the car in the next video.